Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a Python script for sentiment analysis using the Natural Language Toolkit, or NLTK. Let's break down the code step by step and understand how it works. The first few lines are all about importing the necessary libraries. We have NLTK for natural language processing, and specifically, we're importing functions for stop words, tokenization, and sentiment analysis. Now, the pre-processed text function is where we start processing our text. This function tokenizes the text into words, converts them to lowercase, removes common English stop words, and gets rid of any non-alphanumeric characters. The result is a clean, processed text ready for sentiment analysis. Moving on to the Analyze Sentiment function. Here, we use NLTK's Sentiment Intensity Analyzer to get a compound sentiment score. Based on this score, we classify the sentiment as positive, negative, or neutral. It's a simple yet effective way to understand the overall sentiment of a piece of text. Now, let's take a look at the main function. We've got a sample text, I love you. We pre-process this text using our previously defined function, and then we analyze its sentiment. Finally, we print out the original text, the pre-processed text, and the predicted sentiment. Now, you can see the output of our program. As we can see, the sentiment of the text I love you is predicted as positive.